Hey, what is going on YouTube? Hacker007 here. So if you're having slow download issues with Call of Duty Warzone 2.0, this is the perfect video for you. Now, if I should download here, as you can see, waiting for another update, it takes a few seconds to actually start downloading. So I'm going to show you exactly what to do whenever you are having slow download issues. Now let's give that a few seconds. Now, as you can see, my download is currently about 380 kilobytes per second. That is pretty slow, and this will never download 23 gigs at this rate. So what I recommend you to do is to actually pause. Let me show you something here. I'm going to go ahead and check my internet speed. Now, as you can see here, I'm getting over 40 megabits per second, over 50, and as you can see, over 87. So it is pretty fast. Um, So I'm going to actually show you what to fix whenever you're having this issue. Let me pause that and head back into the game. So you need to look for this settings cog or options, select game settings. And when I first downloaded and updated Battle.net, it enabled network bandwidth by default. So I want you to uncheck limit download bandwidth and select done. Now, once you've done that, give it a few seconds, then resume the download. This should fix the issue like 99% of the time. However, if you're still experiencing slow downloads, you would need to actually communicate with the developers. Maybe it is something on their end. Now, as you can see, I'm getting 5 megabytes per second download speed. So this should download relatively fast. That is just a quick update as to how to be able to download Call of Duty Warzone 2.0 if you're having slow download issues. I'm going to actually download this game and test it out and see if there is any other issues relating to the game. So I hope this fix worked for you. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Hacker007 out.